Antoinette from Smart Needle. Welcome to my channel and let's welcome our new subscribers. Today I am happy and this is really new. I'm introducing my brand new Accordion Quilt Wallet. These beautiful in the hoop wallet are soft, puffy, stylish, and incredibly roomy inside. Each wallet features a gorgeous accordion-style interior with 4 spacious pockets that open wide to help you keep everything beautifully organized. The accordion feature is just perfect for organization and dividing your essentials on the go, making it easy to keep everything neatly separated and within reach, from personal documents, money, cards, coins, medications, sewing notions, receipts, and so much more. These wallets are designed to carry it all with ease. As always, we use beautiful fabrics, elegant quilted details, and sophisticated leather accents on the corners and clip-on handle that give these wallets such a timeless and refined look. The zip-around closure with double zipper puller makes them extra unique, fun, and super practical for everyday use. This collection comes in 4 hoop sizes, so you can create the perfect wallet size for your needs. We absolutely love how roomy, cozy, and functional these turn out, and we can't wait to show you how they're made. Okay, let's get started. Just to let you know, all my embroidery designs can be made using a single needle embroidery machine or a multi-needle embroidery machine. We're going to hoop 1 layer of tearaway stabilizer and run the first spool color over the stabilizer as the video shows. Now it's time to cover the whole guideline with 2 or 3 layers of cotton batting. That depends on the wallet size you are doing. If you are doing one of the bigger size, you can use 3, even 4 layers of cotton battings if you like really puffy. And as you taper down on size, the smallest size, which is the 5x7 hoop, can be done with 1 or 2 layers of cotton batting. Now we're going to trim all the cotton batting around the tack down line as the video shows. After the cotton batting has been trimmed, we're going to cover the whole area with a pattern fabric of your choice. And then keep running your embroidery machine for the following spool color. It will do a tack down stitch to attach that pattern fabric to the project. Then the next spool color will do the first applique guideline as the video shows. Now we are going to cover the entire guideline with a piece of fabric of your choice. Just make sure you iron, heat, and bond to the back of your applique fabric first, since we're creating a blanket applique finish and we want the edges to stay nice and clean without frying. Also, don't forget to remove the paper backing from the heat and bond before laying the fabric down over the guideline. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do a tack down stitch to attach the heat and bond applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line has been done, we're going to trim all around it. The next spool color will stitch the beautiful checker quilting pattern right over the applique fabric, just as I'm showing you in the video. This step gives the pouch that rich puffy texture. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the 4 corners applique guideline as the video shows. Now cover the corners guideline with a piece of faux leather. Then continue running your machine for the next spool color. This step will stitch the tack down line to attach the leather pieces to the project. Once the tack down stitches are finished, carefully trim all around the applique pieces close to the stitching line. If you would like to use the same faux leather I'm using, you can find it in my Amazon storefront and the link is listed right under the video description. Then continue running your machine for the following spool color. It will stitch the beautiful blanket applique finish over the leather corner pieces just as I'm showing you in the video. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the rest of the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of your applique fabric. If you would like to add an extra detail like a pencil holder, this is the perfect time to do so. Simple, cut a piece of felt leather and place it on the side of your panel, securing it in position with paper tape as I'm showing you in the video. As you can see, we are almost done with our panel. Now we are going to put another pattern fabric of your choice. Make sure it covers the whole embroidery area, and also make sure the wrong side of the fabric is facing you. Now keep running your machine for the last spool color. It will do a tack down stitch to attach all those fabrics together as the video shows. As you can see here, the last tack down stitch left an opening. That opening is what is going to allow us to turn the whole panel inside out later on. Now it is time to unhook your project and carefully tear away all the stabilizer. Next, trim around the tack down stitch line, leaving about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Where the opening is, leave the fabric slightly longer so you can neatly tuck it inside when you turn your panel right side out. Now it is time to turn the whole panel inside out. Take your time here and carefully push out all the corners really well so they look nice and crisp. Then we're going to press the entire panel front and back with your iron, making everything smooth and beautifully shaped. Just make sure do not iron over the leather pieces as they can get damaged by the heat. To do the accordion quilt wallet, we will need 2 panels, so you can repeat the same embroidery file we just did twice, so you have the panel for the front and the back of the wallet as the video shows. Now take both panels and place them face to face so we can measure the zipper. As you can see, I use my zippers extra long. I highly recommend these zippers because you can cut them to any length you need. You can also use 1 or 2 zipper pullers, depending on your preference. The colors and quality are amazing, and you can find them in my Amazon storefront, and the link is right under the video description. They come in many different color packs, along with beautiful metal zipper pullers, so you can mix and match to perfectly coordinate with your project. Now cut 2 pieces of fabric that measure the length of the bottom of the panel before the corners by 3 inches wide. Then wrap the zipper all around the panel as is shown in the video, making sure it fits snugly around the bottom corners. This will help you get the exact zipper length needed for the panel size as you are making it. Now let's add both zipper pullers to the zipper. Start by sliding one side of the puller onto one side of the zipper. Then attach the other side as well. Once both sides are in place, gently pull the slider forward to engage it onto the zipper teeth. Repeat the same process on the other end of the zipper with the second zipper puller. Now we are going to sandwich one end of the zipper with the fabrics we already cut. Then stitch in place either by hand or with your sewing machine to secure attach the zipper end to the fabric pieces as the video shows. Now we are going to attach the other end of the zipper to the fabric as the video shows, and then you can do a straight line with your sewing machine or by hand, whichever you prefer. Now that we have the exact measurement of the zipper, let's go ahead and start pinning it to the panel, just as I'm showing you in the video. This step is very simple. Just clip or pin all around, following the shape of the panel carefully so everything stays aligned. Then stitch the zipper in place using your sewing machine or by hand, as I'm showing you in the video. Repeat the same process for both panels. It usually takes me about 10 minutes to attach the zipper to both panels. And here it is, our zipper is all in place. Now go ahead and cut away the remaining zipper fabric using your zigzag scissors, just as I'm showing you in the video. This will help give a clean finish and reduce fraying for a neat and professional look. Now it is time to start creating the accordion fabric folds, just as you can see in this cute 5x7 hoop size quilt wallet. As you can see, our wallet is almost complete. All we need now are the accordion fabric folds. In this section, I'm going to show you step by step how this is done. It's very simple. Once you do it a couple of times, you will be able to make many more without even needing to look at the instructions. This project comes in 4 hoop sizes, and the measurements for each accordion fabric piece are included within your embroidery files along with the color charts. Depending on the hoop size you are working with, cut your fabric accordingly to the provided measurements. Then iron the fabric really well so it's nice and flat. Next, fold it in half lengthwise and press again with the iron to create a clean defined fold. Next, open your fabric back up and fold both lengthwise edges inward so they meet right at the center crease, just as I'm showing you in the video. Now we're going to press those folds really well with your iron to make sure they are crisp, flat, and nicely set in place. Now open your fabric back up again. You will see 3 fold lines clearly marked. With the wrong side of the fabric facing up, pin both short edges of these fabrics together as I'm showing you in the video. Then we are going to sew a straight line, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Our straight stitching is already done. Now we are going to turn the whole fabric right side out so the right side of the fabric is facing up. Now we are going to bring both edges of the fabric inward, aligning them at the fold line we created earlier as the video shows. Now we're going to iron the whole fabric really well to make sure those folds are nice, crisp, and well defined. We're going to fold the fabric in half lengthwise, then iron it really well again. The iron is what allows us to set the folds properly and create the accordion shape we need. Now open the half fold we just made and stitch a straight line right along the fold as I'm showing you in the video. Here you can see my stitch line right across it. I did it in white thread so you can see it in the video. Now we're going to open both sides of the fabrics and fold them towards the center stitch line we just created. Align everything very carefully, then press those folds really well with the iron to make them crisp and secure, just as I'm showing you in the video. Now we're going to fold the fabric in half again and iron it really well, making sure all the layers are smooth and the folds are nice and crisp and clearly defined. This step is very important because the iron is what helps set the structures and give us that beautiful accordion effect we're looking for. Once everything is pressed nicely, open the fabric back up and stitch a straight line right along the center fold. This line will help lock everything in place and complete the structure of the accordion piece as is shown in the video. Now fold the fabric in half again, and you will be able to see all the folds needed to create the 4 pockets. Next, we are going to start adding clips to the folds to hold the walls together and form the 4 compartments just as I'm showing you in the video. You can sew the sections together either by hand or with your sewing machine, whichever you prefer. As you can see, I have sewn my 3 accordion walls together, and now I have 4 roomy accordion compartments ready to be filled with all my goodies and keep everything beautifully organized inside my wallet. Now let's attach the accordion piece to our wallet. Start by pinning the edge of one side of the accordion to the edge of your wallet panel next to the zipper, just as I'm showing you in the video. Then sew them together either with your sewing machine or by hand, whichever you prefer. Next, repeat the same step for the opposite side, and your beautiful accordion quilt wallet is all finished and ready to use. And look at this cutie. It is just amazing how it turned out. This beautiful accordion quilt wallet features 4 large accordion compartments, perfect for organizing all your personal essentials like money, receipt, documents, gift cards, license, coins, medication, sewing notions, and everything else we love to carry in our wallets. I absolutely love how thick, soft and puffy these wallets feels to the touch. The quality is simply amazing, and the zip around closure add both durability and style, making this wallet truly one of a kind. One of my favorite things is how much this wallet can hold while still keeping everything beautifully organized and easy to access. It is stylish, functional, roomy, and so much fun to make and use. And I absolutely love adding the leather handle because it allows us to carry the wallet in such a stylish way or simply keep the zipper pullers neatly together. It adds such a beautiful and classy finish to the whole wallet. If you would like to use the same leather handles, you can find them at my Amazon storefront and the link is available right under the video description. The 4 hoop sizes included are wonderful because they give you the flexibility to choose the perfect size for your needs and personal style. From the cute 5x7 hoop size all the way up to the roomy 9x14 hoop. This collection offers a beautiful variety of sizes for everyday use and organization. These wallets are perfect for gifts, craft shows, friends, family, and so much more. I truly believe that once people open them and see all the beautiful accordion compartments inside, they will fall in love. They are stylish, super handy, wonderfully organized, and perfect for carrying all your essentials in one beautiful place. It is time for our sweepstake giveaway. I am so excited to be giving away a beautiful prize bundle that includes a big container filled with lots of pills, which are embroidery spool huggers to keep your spools from unraveling, a package of 8 bright colors embroidery spools, and remember, all Smart Needle spool come with matching color bobbin underneath the spool for perfect coordinations. You will also receive a beautiful glue gun shaped USB drive so you can store all your embroidery designs in the cutest and most stylish way. Sweepstakes rule. To enter, just simply leave a comment below. Subscribe to Smart Needle channel and please turn notifications on so you will know who's the winner because it might be you. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or affiliated with YouTube in any way. No purchase necessary to enter, and please allow time for shipping and delivery after winners are announced. Good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me today. I hope you love this new Accordion Quilt Wallet collection as much as I love creating it for you. These wallets are so fun to make and so practical to use with their beautiful puffy design and roomy accordion compartments that keep everything perfectly organized for everyday essentials to special little items. Everything has its own place. I truly hope you feel inspired to create your own and enjoy the process step by step. Don't forget this design comes in 4 hoop sizes so you can choose the perfect size for your needs or for gifting. Thank you again for your support and for being part of a Smart Needle family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more beautiful embroidery designs. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in my next video.